Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, and it's the party time for the bulls, guys. This thing is looking awesome. The bullish structure that we have been talking about from last couple of videos, and even it's been quite some time that even though Tesla was holding this bullish structure, we were waiting for this final breakout. And not just that, intraday and all in all, this has been bullish, and the level that we were watching in this particular case was $180. As long as we are above that, as I said, there is nothing to worry about. We were still holding higher pivots, and today's move is a really awesome new move, guys, because what this candle today tells us that for next couple of days pullbacks are just a buy as long as we hold the price structure bullish. And what is those areas? That's what I'll be talking about in this video. Let's identify what possibly we can be expecting in this price action going forward from here. What are the moves to look for and how to trade Tesla? What are the heights that we can go to? So with that, please hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Please do your own thing. I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. Also, guys, if you're interested to follow along on my dividend investing channel, link to that will be in the description below. But this is my Junior Trader dividend investing channel, and I did a portfolio update video today as well. And my Tesla ETF YTSL that I am holding, oh, this is looking great in this portfolio right now. Really in good profit. So, but again, if you want to follow along how the portfolio is looking like, what are the updates, the video is here on my this channel, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. Link to this will be also in the description below of this video. All right. To start off with the Tesla, well, before technicals, I just want to show you my day trading bot. And today was also a good profitable day on Tesla bot as well. I mean, this is just not Tesla bot. It can be applied across any given instrument and stock. You can see there are red days as well, guys. Everything is on the data here, not hiding anything. There are red days as well, net profitable. And the best way to take these bots are, use them as a reference, do your own thing. These are only educational tools. Links are in the description below if you need them. I have 2 indicators and 2 bots, okay? Now, what are we seeing? Well, let's do a bit of recap here, first of all right? So starting off from the weekly interval, I have already been saying that I expect Tesla to continue higher, even into the pullbacks, as long as we are above certain levels and that you are aware about. We are bullish. This was the really good inverted head and shoulder. I kept talking about it that on the weekly interval, as we get out of this trend lower moving channel that Tesla has been in for more than a year, this time it's looking really great to go up with, because we have not just an uptrend, we have an inverted shoulder pattern on a weekly interval with a constant support holding for more than 2 months around $170 to $180. So that breakout we are finally seeing, and it's really amazing to see. So yes, on weekly interval we are still bullish. You are seeing that blue box up on the top, that is that $200 range. Why do I have it over there? So how about we talk regarding that first. So that's where I expect, guys, that some pullback may come, but take some partial profits out here. We have a 200 days moving average coming in as an overhead resistance. We have to see the price action around it, because if any reaction has to happen, that is going to be in this zone of $200 with 200 days moving average, because this is where this previous pivot supply zones are also sitting. And we have had a lot of price reaction in this area. So I do expect price reaction here again. All right. So, but yeah, until then, 200 target is still within reach, and that's what I have been saying. We are still in higher pivots, higher lows, right? And we have a new higher high as well today. So things are looking still awesome for Tesla stock. Now, from here, as long as we are above $191, we will remain bullish. Any pullback are just a buy on Tesla for a couple of days. In this case would be Thursday and Friday. Again, as long as we are above this level 191, if we lose this 191, you are watching then 186 and 90 cents, okay? I would say that at this point, this is a new zone of, in the current price action, a new zone of support at this particular area. And Tesla has done really good job in really getting out of it. And it's full on bullish, guys, okay? Going to the hourly interval, you can see some slowdown is coming up in our that blue box, just very close to that. But as I said, pullbacks on this for a couple of days are just a buy, as long as you just don't buy a falling knife, okay? Yeah, like you have to see the price action hold. Let's say pullback starts to come, right? And then you have to see where is the consolidation happening, where on the lower time frame double bottoms are forming, and things along those lines. And then as long as the trend is still bullish and pullbacks are consolidating and it's holding at our significant levels or the structural support, that's the time to reload after those confirmations, okay? So as for today's move, I already showed you my day trading bot that's profitable, and I'm pretty sure there must be a swing position also open today by my another swing bot. So anyways, if you already have access to my tools, you are already aware about that. All right, so yeah, what else, guys? Guys, looks awesome. So I, as I said, the next target is $203, and let's see if tomorrow we can do that. But just keep in mind that there's an overhead resistance of 200 days moving average. If you see a couple of days slowness here, you may expect some pullback. So you might want to take some partial profits out. And if we don't see this consolidation and we see a breakout straight out of 200 days moving average just in a single day, for example, I can show you an instance like here. If you see just one candle straight ripping out of 200 days moving average, that means the level is broken and we can continue higher. And when you see the resistance, like couple of days of consolidation and slowing down just below 200 days moving average, that's a sign that some pullback may be coming. So first test is usually results in some pullbacks or slowdown, but we'll see what Tesla does. So, but you have to see the price action at those levels, all right? Cool, guys. Yeah, full on bullish party time for the bulls. Bears are knocked down. Bears are just like put to sleep, guys. They're done. Kaboom. All the short sellers would be now covering their position, running in the den, and they're like, oh no, what did we do? What did we do? Right? All right, guys. Great day for Tesla. All right, I just want to, before wrapping up, I think I'll do QQ and SPY with tech stocks as well video today. So I'll just show you SPY structure is still bullish, and so is QQ structure still bullish. Yeah, I'll talk about these in another video, guys. Today I'll do those videos as well. Anyways, so that's it for Tesla, guys. That's it for Tesla. I don't think that we have much news here, but well, I did read that. Oh yes, here's the one thing, guys. Okay, unusual Tesla puts options activity today, and I think, guys, they're gonna get burned. I think they're the wrong way of trading. Heavy activity in Tesla today. Tesla is trading 192.65 and at the time of this article post, and Tesla's put options activity is at 192.50 for puts that expire Friday. I think these puts are burnt now, in my opinion. We'll see. But yeah, traders are piling in with, again, wrong intentions, while the price action is not favoring downside, and I don't think it's a time to play the puts. And I have been saying that over the weekend when I did my Tesla's options video, there were puts piling up for 160. I said that, guys, it's worthless. They're gonna get cooked, right? And I said that things are more looking like for the upside on Tesla price action. So yeah. All right. Well, guys, that's it. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.